Are you already studying data science or just curious about it? Let us know in the comments. First up, programming skills. To become a data scientist, proficiency in programming is crucial. Languages like Python and R are the most popular in the field due to their versatility and powerful libraries. Python, for instance, is widely used for data manipulation, analysis, and machine learning. Which programming language are you currently learning? Do comment please. In addition to Python and R, SQL is another essential tool for managing and querying large data sets. By mastering these languages, you will be well equipped to handle various data science tasks from data cleaning to building predictive models. Next, let's talk about statistics and mathematics. A strong foundation in these areas is key to understanding data. Statistics help you make sense of data distributions, probabilities, and trends, while linear algebra and calculus are fundamental for developing machine learning algorithms. What is your favorite math topic? Is it statistics, algebra, or calculus? Understanding statistical concepts like hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and probability distributions will enable you to interpret data accurately and make informed decisions. So if you haven't already, please brush up on your math skills. They are essential for a successful career in data science. Data wrangling and visualization are the next set of skills you will need. Data wrangling or data cleaning involves transforming raw data into a usable format. It's a critical step because a real-world data is often messy and incomplete. Tools like pandas in Python makes this process easier. Have you ever worked with messy data? What's the biggest challenge you faced? Let's discuss in the comments. Once your data is clean, visualization comes into play. Being able to present data in a clear, compelling way is crucial for communicating insights. Tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Tableau allow you to create charts, graphs, and dashboards that can help stakeholders and understand the story behind the data. Machine learning is where the magic actually happens in data science. As a data scientist, you will need to be proficient in applying machine learning algorithms to analyze data and make predictions. This involves understanding supervised and unsupervised learning, as well as key algorithms like decision trees, random forests, and neural networks. Which machine learning algorithm are you most excited to learn about? Share your thoughts with us. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so staying up to date with the latest techniques and tools is very much essential. Start with the basics like linear regression and k-means clustering and gradually move on to more advanced concepts like deep learning and reinforcement learning. Last but not the least, let's talk about why communication is a must-have skill for data scientists. It's not just about playing with numbers. It's about making those numbers make sense for everyone else. Imagine you have got these amazing insights from your data, but if you can't share them clearly, what's the point? Being able to explain your findings in a way that's easy to understand helps teams make better decisions and drive real change. Plus, when data scientists team up with business folks and really communicate, magic happens. So if you want to stand out in your career, remember it's all about mixing those data skills with a bit of business savvy and clear communication. You got this right? Let us quickly see what are the top 5 essential skills you need to become a successful data scientist. Programming, statistics and mathematics, data wrangling and visualization, machine learning, and communication with business acumen. Master these and you will be well on your way to a rewarding career in data science. Which of these skills are you most excited to develop? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more career guidance content. Thanks for watching, keep learning, stay curious and we will see you in the next video on Mentor Me.